Bohol TARSIER. Welcome to Bohol TARSIER, Philippines. Tadaan! Ang sister ni Totz. We are going inside right now. And naatay 40 pesos na entrance fee or 60 pesos ba siya. Hindi na ako siya makaralo. But probably makita na to sa itsura sa mga TARSIER in live. Karon as in super. So, pabutan na ta. We are on our way and going in. And another relative of Totz. That's the biggest TARSIER I've seen. Of Bohol. Totz.
May tour guide?
Against the light. Bagay mo. Okay, now we are currently recording our journey to the TARSIER land. So we are going to look for a TARSIER. And where are we going to look for it? Is there any signs of them existing in this area? Unlike Dora the Explorer. I thought, oh, I found a TARSIER. Kita ninyo, hindi na ko siya makita sa camera. Kaya sobra ka kamay. Kamay kita siya, kamay kayo. Asan kamay kayo? Hello. Okay, that was nice. That was the cutest thing I've ever seen. Very cute ang mga TARSIER tanaw na pay couple nga TARSIER pinakatas, which is dili kay maklaro magmakuha nimo video, but for 60 pesos entrance per person, nakita nimo unsa ka cute. Gamay man kay na sila. Dako pa nga akong dangaw. So
just like a fetus.
Wala dag fetus. So as in enjoy. Gamay na butang but enjoy. So guys, we are on our way to our next destination, which is makibal to karon. BACLAYON Church. Guys, this is our 5th stop. 5th na ba? Anyway, the BACLAYON Church. Naatay 50 pesos na entrance. To explore what is inside the church. The museum with the 50 pesos na entrance. And no picture. Okay. Sige, no picture allowed. Sorry.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, upstairs sa museum is bawal ang camera. So wala mi naka picture actually. But anyway, I want to describe kung saan nasa taas. Nasa taas is siguro mga, as expected sa mga museum, is ancient artifacts, siguro mga dated 1900s. Na yung mga pictures ng mga previous priests and items, holy items. As usual makita nimo sa church, but dated lang yun. Okay, the church is still under construction as of now, so dili may nakasulod. Anyway, we took some photos, so kadali lang, but anyway medyo covered na. So we are on our way to our probably last site, ang tawag ani, blood compact. Okay, our last stop is the Ocean Street. Joke lang, blood compact ito. Blood compact. And they have an additional view di ay diri oh. Same. So diri na hitabo ang blood compact. Wala may story eh.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay guys, finally. Bye! Finally we are here sa among hotel nga stayhan. Okay. Nagyod and makapag-take a rest na with me after isang long gahe karon nga day. And at Bohol Tourist Inn, and Here is our room. We nakapakulay na good. So currently we are checked in sa via Bohol na tourist inn, and it's 810 pesos na room. It's a twin bed, tapos medyo spacious siya, and then medyo luma lang siya pero makaya lang good siya. But here's our TV, karaan pa, and here is our mirror, si Totz pakulay, and here is our, oh my god, gilak mo. The door is locked. And to be continued mo ni ang among room. Okay, hold. Hot and cold shower. Yeah, baby. So yun guys, not bad na for 810. I think okay na siya. So matulog lang umigo diri, and then tomorrow is probably we look for a good hotel pag abot sa Cebu. So yun guys, hopefully na-enjoy ninyo ang among Bohol tours, because we got really tired kasi dapat yung tulog sobra, and karon sunod ako pakulay ko for now, and probably mamaya magawas me for dinner. And karon, Totz, do you want to say anything, Totz, before we are done?
I want more.
More?
More love.
Why not? Mag-abot na Cebu tomorrow, and magnaag na pag sa Cebu, and probably where? Ito lang sa Cebu. Okay, so thank you so much guys. Hopefully you would subscribe on our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and follow us on Instagram. This is Totz Adventure signing out.